So we're on our way to Kim's Beachside retreat, which is at Toowoon Bay on the Central Coast. We're actually just here now. And we've been invited to stay here for the next 2 nights while shooting a bunch of content for them for their marketing purposes. So we're going to be shooting a video and then a bunch of photos for them, but I don't know where to go. Hopefully this is the right way. Kim's Beachside retreat, baby. Whoa.
Wow.
This is unreal. And welcome to Kim's Beachside retreat. Emily's about to take you through a walkthrough of our amazing hut on the beach. Let's check it out.
So welcome to our hut. We have a toilet over here. We have this massive living space area with the best view of the beach. You can go out, have some cheesy picky. Now I'll show you the bedroom. Check out our bedroom where we're going to wake up every morning with the best view, all the fresh air. Look at all the commodos we have.
Yeah, our own Japanese yukatas.
Yukatas.
So we'll have to decide, well, which one is mine, which one is Emily's.
Alright, now let me show you the bathroom.
This is insane, it's actually huge.
It is massive. We've got the spa, the shower, another toilet, massive mirror. I check myself out every morning. And now let me show you Max's favourite part, which is out here.
Yeah, this is literally the best part.
So this is our own private pool.
This is our own private pool on the beach at Toowoon Bay. And then we have our own jacuzzi right here. And then our own sauna. So it can sweat it all out.
This is amazing. And
Yes.
we've got perfect weather, so we can come and have an afternoon by the pool. Then we're going to go back for cocktails at 6 o'clock, which we're really excited for.
This is going to be an amazing stay.